Hi students, today we will discuss one more topic on sampling theory, that is Chisquare distribution test. Chisquare distribution, which will provide a measure of correspondence between the theoretical frequencies and observed frequencies. If y, where I stands from 1 to n, and I stands from 1 to n respectively, denotes the set of observed and estimated frequencies, the quantity of Chisquare denoted by Chisquare and is defined as Chisquare is equal to summation over I 1 to n y minus ei whole square by ei, and the degree of freedom is given as n minus 1. So I'll discuss some of the examples. A sample analysis of examination results of 500 students was made. It was found that 220 students had failed, 170 had secured third class, 90 had secured second class, and 20 had secured first class. Do these figures support the general examination result, which is in the ratio 4:3:2:1 for the respective categories? Chisquare 0.05 is 7.81 for 3DF. This is the table value which we have to take. Now I'll solve this. So first we'll find the expected frequencies. That is with the ratios, that is given using the ratio 4:3:2:1. So 4 by sum of this, that will gives you 10 into, first I'll take total number of students, that is 500. 0 will get cancels, 200. Next is 3 by 10 into 500. So 0 will get cancels, that is 1950. Next is 2 by 10 into 500. 0 will get cancels, that is 100. 1 by 10 into 500. So that will give you 50. So therefore y, which is given, that is observed frequencies, are there. 220 students have failed. Next 170 had secured third class. Next it is 90. Then the next one, last one is 20. This is observed frequency. Estimated frequency which we got, that is 200, 150, 100, 50. So use this formula. Chisquare is equal to what? Sum of y minus ei whole square divided by ei. So using your calculator, so you'll get substituting y minus ei. Y is 1, I'll do it. 220 minus ei is 200 whole square divided by ei is 200, plus 170 minus 150 whole square divided by 150, plus 100 minus 90 whole square by 100. Next is, or you can do 90 minus also, there is no problem. That is 90 minus 100, plus 20y minus ei is 50 whole square by ei is 50. So using your calculator, you get the value of Chisquare is equal to 23.67, which is greater than 7.81 from the table value. Therefore the hypothesis is rejected. Therefore the hypothesis is rejected. So I'll do one more example. A dice were thrown 96 times, and the number of numbers 1, 2 or 3 appearing on the face of the dice follows the frequency distribution is given below. So number of dice showing 1, 2 or 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Frequency 7, 19, 35, 24, 8, 3. Test the hypothesis that the data follows a binomial distribution and Chisquare at 0.05 is equal to 11.07 for 5df, which is from the table. So now we'll solve this example. So as it is mentioned that already you see that frequencies are given. So these are all your observed frequencies. You have to estimate, you have to find the estimated frequencies. So first we'll find and also you see that by using the binomial distribution. So as you know that by using binomial distribution, first you should know value of P. P is equal to what? 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2, that is nothing but 1, 2, 3. 3 faces are there, divided by total number of outcomes, that is 6 in the dice. So Q is equal to what? 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 1 by 2, that is also 1 by 2. So then we'll discuss n, that is n is equal to what? 5. So now we will do using binomial distribution, that is P of x equal to what? NCx, P power x, Q power n minus x. So P of x is equal to n is 5cx, P is 1 by 2 power x, Q is also 1 by 2 power 5 minus x. So now you substitute different values of x. Before that, P of x already you see that it is given 96 times of the dice is thrown 96 times. So 5cx, 1 by 2 power x, 1 by 2 power 5 minus x. Now you substitute different, you call as equation number 1, different values of x you substitute which are there. X is equal to, I'll substitute first 5, then you'll get first value, that is P of 5 is equal to, directly after using your calculator you get 3, put x is equal to, next value is 4, this is here. So P of 4 is equal to, you get 15, sorry, so it is at x is equal to 0, as running 0, this value, then 1, that will get 15, then put x is equal to what? 2, you can start from 5 also. So this is 0, this is 1. P of 2 is equal to, you will get, when put x is equal to 2, you will get 30, put x is equal to 3, you will get P of 3 is equal to, you will get as 30, that is also same. Put x is equal to 4, P of 4 is equal to, you will get 15, put x is equal to 5, P of 5 will get as last value, that is also 3. So these are all the expected frequencies, so observed frequency which are there already. So that I will write it. So observed frequencies are, start with 7, 19, 35, 24, 8, 3. Estimated frequencies, that is 3, start from last, 5 and x is equal to 5, that is 3, 15, 30, 30, 15, 3. Now use the value Chisquare is equal to sum of OI minus EI whole square by EI. Same way how you done earlier, same you do it. So you get Chisquare is equal to 11.7 which is greater than 11.07 for 5 duet from the table value. Therefore, the hypothesis is rejected. Therefore, the hypothesis is rejected for the binomial distribution. I hope you got it. Thank you.